Today, we'll follow an IP litigation team working an active patent infringement matter. But everything you'll see adapts to how your team works, whether that's a corporate legal department, a government agency, or any other organization that relies on NetDocuments. My supervising attorney just staffed me on a new matter. I need to get up to speed. I open NetDocuments and land on the homepage. The matter's been added to my top matters alongside my most active documents and latest correspondence. I go straight to Smart Search and ask a question in plain language. The answer draws on the firm's actual work, with citations to the specific documents behind it. Like everything in NetDocuments, it respects each user's access. I click into the matter. Before today, getting oriented on a case like this meant days of reading, asking around, and hunting through folders. Instead, I see the matter overview, an automatically assembled view of everything NetDocuments knows about this case. The system reads across all documents and correspondence and generates a summary that tells me what this dispute is actually about. Key parties and dates are pulled from the filings, and I can check the source or edit if something's wrong. A completeness indicator shows how much of the matter has been processed. The same governance model my firm has always relied on, preserved. The team working the matter is visible if I need to reach out, and an activity timeline shows both what the team has been doing and the key events in the case. This is just a starting point. Admins and teams can rearrange, add, and build custom widgets, pulling data from any system they choose. Setup that used to take hours is now automatic, and it stays current on its own. One document has been getting a lot of attention lately. I click through to see why. This is the Helix v. Cortexa complaint. 4 versions, all tracked. The versions aren't just saved. The system understands what changed between them and why it matters. NetDocuments has long had a version notes field where users could add this kind of context manually. In practice, it rarely gets filled in. Legal professionals don't have the time, so that institutional memory just disappears. Now it's generated automatically every time a new version is saved. I can see how the team's thinking evolved across every version. Weeks of attorney judgment, captured instead of lost. The complaint tells me where the case has been, but the matter is still moving. Dr. Patel just filed a supplemental report this morning. I go to the Expert Reports folder and drag it in. The system gets to work immediately. Within seconds, it classifies the document, extracts the structured data, and generates a summary of what it contains. This isn't just about this one document. The matter overview updates on its own. A partner checking in before a client call, an associate prepping for a deposition, they don't have to know this report exists. The system already folded it in. Every search, every summary, every AI answer is now informed by it. That's what it means for a system to understand a document rather than just store it. A notification comes in. My colleague has been working on the Markman reply and flagged me to review a section that needs updating now that I've added Dr. Patel's report. I click through from the notification. I can see he's already in the document. NetDocuments acts as a cloud storage provider for Microsoft Word, so I'll open it directly there. We're both live in the same draft, co-authoring in real time. The AI editor is right there alongside us. I type, update sections 2 and 4 using the findings from Dr. Patel's supplemental report. That's it. The system already knows what that report contains. The draft it generates references the specific findings, the specific data. 10 minutes ago, this report didn't exist. Now it's shaping the brief. Everything the system knows about this matter comes with me into the work. Every step, the answer that oriented me, the matter that was already assembled, the brief my colleague and I are drafting right now, the same intelligence showing up wherever I need it. This is NetDocuments Reimagined, a place that not only stores what your organization knows, but understands it and puts it to work.